Guys, I've already found it. It's winter snow. Now I recall. And I know she's there. I'm gonna surprise her. There she is. Hi, Jen. She's the one I'm telling you guys. How are you, Jen? Wow! Nice, oo. Nice beauty spa. Hey, Jen, anong tawag dito?
Skincare clinic.
Skincare clinic. Nice skincare clinic. Wellness. Something like that. Jen, kamusta ka na?
Ito, okay lang.
Guys, she's the one that I'm telling you a while ago. Jen. My former client, she's a very good client of mine in Eastwood. Sometime in 2004, 2005, mga ganun, no? So, it's been 20 years, guys.
Ang tagal na.
So, she told me yesterday that she already worked here for almost a year. And then I told her that the picture that I take on her was still with me. So, I'm gonna surprise her the picture.
Ayo! Ang kulit. Oh, no.
Payat ka pa dyan, di ba?
Kaya nga, payat
So,
pa ako na
picturean mo yan para ano?
Oo nga, picturean ko to.
Shout out to each every one of you. So I'm glad, guys and girls, that we bugged yesterday. She approached me, so I really appreciate the way she talks with me. And she asked me if I still recall her. Sabi ko, I couldn't really recall. And then she told me, Bayo.
Bayo.
Oh, di ba? Yun.
Siyempre ikaw, di ka na makalimutan.
Of course.
Ang iyong hair.
Sino itong dalawa?
Si Jackie, tsaka
Oo,
si
Jackie.
Mary.
So guys, take a look.
899.
And then I have a surprise for you for welcoming back on my
Thank
world.
you.
So I hope ma-appreciate me just for a simple token of appreciation.
Thank you.
Please promote your shop. It's good to be beautiful, guys.
Yes.
Oh.
Pwede bang Tagalog na?
Oh, pwede ako lang naman nag-English kasi yung mga kasi from other countries. That's why.
Kung gusto niyo magpa-beauty, punta lang kayo dito sa Winter Snow, Santa Lucia, El Centro.
Yeah. So how much is the price?
Iba-iba.
Iba-iba.
Marami.
Minimum. Nag-range.
Basic facial is 499.
499. How about the service?
Yun na yung may iba-iba,
I mean,
iba-ibang service.
Oh, yung service nyo na binibigay.
Ay, 100% siyempre.
So friendly service talaga na
Diba?
talagang sulit.
Masasatisfied
Oh yeah, see that? So shout out located at
El Centro sa Santa Lucia Grand Mall. Level 2.
Do you have phone number for this or page?
Sa page na lang kayo mag-check Winter Snow Santa Lucia Skincare Clinic.
And
see you soon, guys.
yeah, Jen. Remember her name, Jen. Oh, shout out to your family.
Ay, kamusta sa mga taga Southern Leyte? Sa anak ko at sa asawa ko. Nandun lang sila. Ako dito na.
First name?
Si June Jason Tarak tsaka si Jessie Janelle Tarak.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you, Jen, for coming back again. Ayun, so magiging customer ulit kita.
Oo nga, ano bang meron dyan?
Sa ngayon wala pa.
Wala pa.
Pag meron na. Bye for now, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.